Before this video starts, I want to give a huge thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. If you haven't heard of Skillshare, it's essentially an online learning community with thousands of courses that are designed to either help you discover or fuel your passions. Now, I'm a firm believer in lifetime learning, and I believe that learning doesn't stop after you finish school. And I feel like I'm a prime example of that. That's how I started this YouTube channel right here. It was basically fueled on watching tutorials and kind of teaching myself that way because I didn't have a mentor to teach me personally. For the past few days, I've been using Skillshare and I've been taking a couple courses, you know, trying to sharpen some skills. So the first course that I've been taking is this sneaker customization course. You guys see me paint shoes all the time. So since I like doing that, I figured I would go ahead and watch other people paint sneakers in case they're doing some methods that I'm not aware of. So it's always important to do that. I'm also taking another course which involves leather crafting. If you guys didn't know, leather crafting is another passion of mine besides sneakers. I love stitching, I love sewing, edge painting, putting pieces together, making wallets, watch bands, bracelets, all that good stuff. And I'm watching this course that's actually helping me create something new, which you guys will see in the future. And another course that I just finished watching is called Productivity Masterclass. This one's hosted by Ali Abdal, and he's essentially teaching us how to be more productive. You know, realizing what habits we have during the day that are setting us back or what can propel us and increase our productivity over time. I realize that I'm on my phone a lot, and yes, it is for business, but at the same time, a lot of it is for pleasure. For example, whenever I wake up, I go straight to my phone. Whenever I go to sleep, I always have to watch something before I sleep. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to challenge myself to break that habit. Let's see what happens if I'm not on my phone before I sleep. I'll probably end up sleeping longer. I'll probably end up being more productive throughout the day. So that's something that we're going to be focusing on, and that's what I learned through Skillshare. So with that being said, I have a special offer for you guys. So the first 1,000 people that click the link down below and sign up will get Skillshare Premium for free. Remember guys, learning does not stop after the classroom, and you can do it from the comfort of your home at your own pace. So what are you guys waiting for? Once again, huge shout out to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. I don't think you drank enough water today. We're gonna wait right here. Drink some water. I'm watching you. Thumbnail, thumbnail, thumbnail. And get this right here. Gonna move this down here, even though you can't see it. Half hold that one. Thumbnail. All right, we're good. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy SneakerHeadInTheBay here, and we're back again with another episode of flipping sneakers for cold hard cash. If you guys have never watched an episode before, essentially what I'm doing is I'm showing you how I'm getting sneakers, talking a little bit about the profit margins, what I'm buying them for, what I'm going to sell them for. So that's what we're going to be doing for today's video. Specifically, for today's video, we're going to be focusing on sneakers that I buy on eBay. So a lot of people ask me, yo, Alex, where do you buy all your shoes? A lot of them are in-person meetups, but I also do a bunch of eBay steals and deals. What I like about the eBay steals and deals is you could be anywhere around the world as long as you catch these shoes for the right price. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it. Now remember, my way of conducting business is going to be very different from the next man. To make it clean and simple, I shoot for a $50 to around $70 profit margin per sneaker. Typically, the sneakers I like to sell are around the 200 range, so I'm getting these for around 125 bucks or 150 bucks, depending on what shoe it is, of course. So in today's video, we're going to be running down all of the sneakers that I purchased in the last couple days. They all arrived and I haven't had a chance to unbox them, so I figured this would be a really good video to show you guys what I was able to scoop up. And keep in mind, $50 to $75 profit margin on each pair right here. I'll try to throw up the number that I'm going to be selling this for. And of course, in this video, if you see anything that you like, you can go ahead and shop with me down below. All of these items will be live at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and I usually do add a bunch of more shoes to the drop. So if you guys want any sneakers or anything, shopsotopia.com, that's where you can find it, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Let's go ahead and start off with this box right here. It's a super light box. I'm slowly starting to incorporate different items on my shop, so not always sneakers. I'm pretty sure this one is going to be a hat that I purchased. So let's go ahead and check this piece out. Typically for hats, I always keep the packaging that it comes with because I usually don't have this size box. So it's super important to do that. Just a quick tip for you guys. Looks like they just wrapped it in some paper. Ooh, ooh, it is lit. Look at that, baby. This is a vintage 90s Tasmanian devil hat right here. full snapback, and it's brand new. I love getting brand new stuff, especially because right now is really weird. For something like a hat, I prefer it to be brand new, and getting a vintage one is super sick. I love how the embroidery goes from the front of the hat and just spills onto the brim. So I think this one is going to do really well. Hypothetically speaking, let's say I got this for around 15 bucks. I would sell this one for around $25 or $30. So that's a pretty good profit margin. It's really simple, and the price isn't too crazy. Somebody will definitely pay for something like this, especially because it's brand new. So this one is a really good one. Also has the Taz embroidered in the back right here. Super nice. Next up, let's get into this pair right here. Usually boxes that are slim like this means that they don't have a box. And to be honest, I don't really remember what I bought. I just know that whatever I did buy, I can make some money off of. So let's go ahead and check these out. We got some Wolf Gray 3s. Look at these things. All right, class, take a quick gander at these. Every single time that I've had a pair of Wolf Gray 3s, they have sold on the site. And right now on eBay, they're going for a pretty good price. I've been getting these for around 120 bucks, flipping them for around 180, 190, depending on the condition. These ones look pretty good. They can use a small wipe down, but look at that. I mean, the midsoles are nice. You don't really see any paint chipping. A lot of the shoes that I buy, I don't want to do anything to them. I just want to be efficient. I want to get shoes in. I want to get shoes out, and just keep repeating the process. That's how we build this thing. If you guys are interested in these, they are size 8. My size ranges I go from are around 9 to 11, and something like this might be a little bit of a harder sell, but the price that I got them for, it was a no-brainer just to get them. So if you guys want these size 8s, I'll have the price on the screen right here. Again, shopsoultopia.com, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Still has all the stars and everything. These are in pretty good condition. Let's get into the next box right here. More of a squarish box. So I'm assuming this one doesn't have the OG box as well. Let's see. What did we get here? Okay. Okay. My guy wrapped it in these little things. Oh, this one's a good one right here. This one is a very good one. When these first came out, a lot of people weren't feeling them, but I noticed that as that like yellow midsole trend has become a thing, a lot of people are doing the double take on these. The uppers are really nice smooth leather on this one, and look at the condition. Again, man, I got these things for a steal. I got this pair for $100 on eBay. And if you guys don't believe me, man, all you gotta do is enable the best offer button, and that allows you to offer what you would pay for the shoe. And basically at the end of the day, they're either going to accept it or they're going to deny it, or you're gonna come to an agreement. So that's what you gotta do. Shoot your shot. All of these pairs right here, I was just shooting my shot, and these are the ones that grab. Bare minimum every day, I at least throw out 30 offers, and there's a really good amount of them that bite. We're gonna take a slight break from the shoes because I have this package right here. I have an idea of what it is. I think this one is going to be my personal pickup, so let's go ahead and unbox this together. Whew. This is the personal pickup right here. Oh my goodness. Damn, my guy killed this thing. So we got a t-shirt right here. This is from one of the homies I met at a sneaker event. He went ahead and started his own brand, so he does basically like vintage inspired tees. So this is one that I bought off of his site. We got the baby mama Jane Aiko, or Janae Aiko. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at the quality, bro. The wash on this thing. If you guys want to check out his site, he has a whole bunch of artists that he does. I think this is my new favorite tee, bro. When he sold it, I think it was 36 bucks, and for the quality, even the print, it's not even screen printed. I think this is sublimation. Look at this. Super high quality, man. You absolutely killed it. I'm definitely gonna be getting more pieces if they're like this. So it's my first time seeing his work in person. It definitely deserves a chef's kiss, bro. Let's get back to business here and see what we got. Oh, this is a nice one. We got a pair of Aqua 8s in the mix. Again, very, very good condition. These pairs have been going for around 110 bucks, 120 bucks. They're classic colorway, super duper nice condition, man. And once again, we're going for the flips. We're going for the real nice flips and dips. This is a size 8.5. Again, this is a little smaller than what I'm used to selling, but for the price that I got it for, it was a no-brainer. I think we got another no boxer here. The only thing about the no box shoes is that it makes it really difficult to store because they're all going to be piled on top of each other, or you just have to have them just sitting on top of boxes. So I typically like to get the no boxes out as soon as possible so I could keep everything organized in my inventory shelf. Oh my goodness, I doubled up. Look, another pair of Aqua 8s. I think these ones are going to be a different size though. These ones are a size 9.5. Did I say that for the other one? I think the other ones were 8.5. Yep. 9.5 and 8.5. Can't go wrong with a pair of Aqua 8s, man. And if you guys want to get into this reselling thing, if you want to be really strategic and you want to be realistic at the same time, I would recommend throwing offers on shoes that you can fit yourself, right? That way, if you're not able to sell it, at least you're able to enjoy it. That's what I did when I first started. I was always going for size 10s, going for size 10.5s, because I already knew if I wasn't able to flip it, I would go ahead and wear it anyways, just to get the use out of them. Size 9.5, Aqua 8. These next shoes do have boxes that are a little bit bigger, so looks like we're gonna get full boxes, hopefully. It's interesting to see how each seller does their packaging. Wow, this one doesn't have a box, but we have some Grape Fives in the mix. Now these did release a while ago, so there is going to be a little bit of discoloration, but like I said, man, a lot of people have been doing the discolorations on purpose to their sneakers to make it look a little bit more vintage. So something like this wouldn't be too hard to sell. It's in really good condition besides the slight yellowing up here and on the plastics, but we got some Grape Fives in the mix. Even the bottoms are looking really, really nice. And these ones are a size 11. Please have a box, please have a box, please. We got a box. We got a box. We got a pair of Jordan 3 Crimsons, size 8. Yes, freaking sir. Let's go, baby. Jordan 3 Crimsons, stupid nice condition as always. I mean, you guys probably get the idea of what shoes I'm going for, right? All these shoes are in really nice condition, not beat or anything. The beat shoes are a little bit harder to move, so I like getting these. They're a lot more simple. It gives that really nice profit margin, and usually these flip very, very quickly. Size 8 Crimson 3s. We got an interesting Home Depot box now. By the way, if you guys are watching this video, let me know, are you guys interested in reselling sneakers, or do you guys find this content interesting? Because I do have some people that let me know that they like this series, but they just don't flip sneakers on their own. They just like to see what I'm able to make off of it. So I really want to see, like, am I inspiring anybody to resell sneakers, or at least opening their mind to reselling things in general? Because I get a rush out of this stuff. I've always been like this ever since I was a kid. It wasn't always shoes, but wherever I was able to make money, I was able to do it because I knew I could do it. My main goal with these videos is just to bring out the inner hustler in all of us. I believe that we all have it, but somebody just has to flip that switch. All right, here we go. This one was packaged super nice. Size 8.5, Air Jordan 11, and of course we got the not Jordan 11s. We got some new loves. Now these things, man, a lot of people slept on this pair. This is one of the cleaner Air Jordan 1 colorways in my opinion. Black, yellow, bumblebee vibes. Can't go wrong with it. Look at that condition. Seeing this shoe brings me back. Size 11 replacement box. Really, really good condition. Again, man, I love it. Love to see it. This one is the last sneaker. With the box, with the box, with the bubble wrap. Boom. These are a size 11 retro low. This must be a replacement box. Oh, we got a pair of Air Jordan lows. This one was more of a risky purchase just because every single time I post an Air Jordan 11 low, it ends up sitting for a little bit, but I got this one for a really, really good price and they're super clean. So I figured, you know what? It's not even that much of a risk for me because the price was stupid low. If anything, I could give this out for a really good deal, still make my profits, and get somebody in some nice shoes for the low. So this is a size 11 pair, and that is going to conclude all of the shoes that I bought in the past few days. There's a bunch that are coming still that haven't arrived, but that's just an idea of what I do during my free time. I'm not chilling, I'm not doing crazy exotic stuff. I'm literally in my bed or charging my Tesla, looking through eBay listings, throwing out 30 to 50 offers every single day and seeing who grabs, and basically listing all of this on my site and just repeating the process. That's what I love to do. That's what I'm doing when this camera's not on. So at least you guys get a glimpse of that. That is going to wrap this video up right here. Once again, you could go ahead and purchase all of those shoes that you saw in this video on the site 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time today. The link will be down below, and there's gonna be a bunch of other shoes that are going to be restocking on there as well. My stock is looking crazy, so I'm trying to do more drops more often for you guys. So I'll see you guys very soon for the next video. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment something down below. Let's comment something crazy this time. Let's see, what could we comment? I need a controversial one. Do pineapples belong on pizza? Yes or no? Drop a comment down below. I'm going pineapples on pizza all day, every day. I'll catch y'all very soon for the next video. It's your boy SneakerHeadInTheBay. I'm out. Peace.